Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today we are going to be doing a reinstall on this 26-inch loose wave wig that I got from Wiggins hair. Y'all, this wig was so gunky and nasty and just don't y'all hate when y'all wigs get like that? Anyways, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get rid of that and make your lace perfect again. So check this out. You're going to use some Avaline, put that on the lace. Avaline is basically like a makeup cleanser, so it should really work really well on your lace without dehydrating like the hair follicles and then, you know, breaking off the hair on the wig. So you can use the Avaline to clean up the lace. You just want to apply it on. I'm going to be using some of this cleansing water to put on the lace as well. You know, this cleans up makeup really well as well. So I was like, this combo like has to be magical, and it was just that. So after you put that on, you definitely want to just go ahead and take your comb and gently scrub, not hard, don't be rough on it. My wig already has been installed a couple of times. I just didn't get around to the video because I didn't really, you know, like the install, because the first time I installed it, I had a Mousse, and y'all, please do not install a wig after you've had any type of adult beverages. So yeah, you just want to go ahead and clean up the lace, and I just went ahead and brushed out the hair and pretty much brought it back to life. So this is how the curls are looking and everything. The curls are absolutely beautiful. Right now, you see that I am just sizing the wig to make sure that it still fits my hairline perfectly, and it definitely does. And you know, you just want to go ahead and pretend that you are installing a brand new wig. Like, go ahead, put your cap on, go ahead, apply your color, all that, you know, cute jazzy stuff. So y'all already know you want to go ahead and clean up your hairline. I do use Ericka J products, so that's what I am going in and applying on my hairline. I think in this video I might have used 2 layers. Y'all, even 2 layers will literally keep your weight down for a good while. I change my hair so often, so it's literally no point in me applying more than 2 layers, honestly, because it's going to come out really soon. So you can apply 3 layers if you intend on your install lasting, maybe 4 if you just like want it stuck. But yeah, her products are really good. You guys see them in every single video. I really need to watch some more makeup tutorials because the look is not giving. So then you're basically going to do the same thing that we did in the beginning. You're going to size up your hairline, and I love to place it like basically right at my hairline, but just a little bit, a very teeny tiny millimeter ahead. So yeah, just go ahead and apply it. Like I said, this was a reinstall after I had a couple of mimosas. So therefore, that is why my wig does not have as much hair on it. Please do not come for me in the comments at all. So yeah, just go ahead and apply your wig as normal. We don't have to cut any lace. Pretty much, I love reinstalling wigs because they literally like take not even 30 minutes really. So go ahead and apply that. The hard part is the baby hairs, definitely when your wig has already, you know, started shedding. So I don't think that's on Wiggins' part at all. That is definitely my fault because I plucked the heck out of this wig when I first got it. I don't know why I did, but I was just a little impaired, just a little bit. So yeah, just go ahead and tack your hair down and make sure that your lace is, you know, on pretty good. You don't want to miss anything. This is when you definitely want to use your elastic band because that's just going to allow your hair to really melt. I'm going to be doing a middle part today. I feel like this is infamous for me. I don't know why. I just love middle parts on me, especially with big curly hair. It's a whole vibe, a whole entire vibe. I'm not really a side part girl, but you know, I do what I gotta do pretty much. Would you guys be interested in me shipping out wigs? I really feel like that's what I'm getting ready to get into. You know, just shipping out wigs, customizing wigs, you know, ready to wear wigs. I think y'all would really like that. So let me know if you like that down in the comment section below. And also, if you guys have any other videos that you would like to see, I know you guys really want a baby hair tutorial, but it is so hard for me to do my hair on camera, let alone do baby hairs. So that video is going to come as soon as I get a little bit of help with these videos. You really want to be like super particular with which hairs you're pulling for your baby hairs and stuff, because you don't want to have to overwork yourself and pull back hairs and, you know, all that extra stuff. So now I'm just going to hot comb my hair back. I didn't even notice that my hair had bunched up on the side, which is crazy, but I think I know I ended up grabbing it. So yeah, just go ahead and hot comb your hair and, you know, yeah, there we go. Hot comb your hair back and, you know, just make sure it looks good, make sure it looks flawless. It did come together in the end. Like I said, it was, you know, balding. or whatnot, but I mean, the wig has been installed for a while, so it's okay. I think I ended up covering up that one spot that's on the left hand side and made it look cute or whatever. Y'all gotta finesse it sometimes. Just do what you gotta do. Someone had DM me and was like, oh, you don't put the products on the screen or anything. Y'all, I use the same products in every video. I use a wax stick, I use some Spritz hair mousse, and like that was a Spritz right there, and I use some what's that stuff called, gorilla snot, whatever, for the baby hairs. Yeah, I don't use any extravagant products or anything. Like, I literally just go in and do what I gotta do. Oh, y'all, this part right here, when I tell you I messed this wig up, don't try to spray no black spray on yourself. Take your wig off, part it, spray the black spray, and then keep it pushing, because this was such a challenge for me. Like, really, really bad. But here I am getting ready to do my baby hairs. I think I tried to do them on camera, but I don't remember if it really, really worked out. So hopefully you guys got a little snippet or something, like a how I do mine. Yeah, that wasn't working for me. I be trying, y'all. I really do be trying, but because I don't have a mirror in front of me, it's very hard. So, yeah, that's crazy. I came back. So yeah, my baby hairs are pretty much done. Like I said, these baby hairs were already pre-cut and everything, so it's kind of hard to go over and do exactly what you want while also trying to cover up some bald spots or whatever. But I really want to thank Wiggins for sending me over this wig. This has been my favorite wig in the past, for a while now. This has been my favorite wig, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see why. Like, this hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, I have zero complaints about it. Sometimes it can get a little dry, but for the most part, this wig is absolutely gorgeous, and you gotta see in the end how it looks standing up. And this wig is just so pretty. Like, I love this wig. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.